Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Thursday, July 22nd, 2021. It is 12:03 and 15 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, coronaviruses. So let's hop to it here. And toward one drug to treat all coronaviruses. Date July 21st, 2021. Source, American Chemical Society. Researchers have analyzed viral proteins across 27 coronavirus species and thousands of samples from COVID-19 patients, identifying highly conserved sequences that can make the best drug targets. And safe and effective vaccines offer hope for an end to the COVID-19 pandemic. However, the possible emergence of vaccine-resistant SARS-CoV-2 variants, as well as the novel coronaviruses, make finding treatments that work against all coronaviruses as important as ever. Drugs often bind inside pockets on proteins that hold the drug snugly, causing it to interfere with the protein's function. And scientists can identify potential drug binding pockets from the 3D structures of viral proteins. Over time, however, viruses can mutate their protein pockets so that drugs no longer fit. But some drug binding pockets are so essential to the protein's function that they can't be mutated, and these sequences are generally conserved over time in the same and related viruses. Researchers wanted to find the most highly conserved drug binding pockets in viral proteins from COVID-19 patient samples and from other coronaviruses, revealing the most promising targets for pan-coronavirus drugs. The team used a computer algorithm to identify drug binding pockets in the 3D structures of 15 SARS-CoV-2 proteins. The researchers then found corresponding proteins in 27 coronavirus species and compared their sequences in the drug binding pockets. The most conservable druggable sites were a pocket overlapping the RNA binding site of the helicase NSP13 and a binding pocket containing the catalytic site of the RNA-dependent RNA polymerase NSP12. Both of these proteins are involved in viral RNA replication and transcription. The drug binding pocket on NSP13 was also the most highly conserved across thousands of SARS-CoV-2 samples taken from COVID-19 patients, with not a single mutation. The researchers say that novel antiviral drugs targeting the catalytic site of NSP12 are currently in phase 2 and 3 clinical trials for COVID-19, and that the RNA binding site of NSP13 is a previously unexplored target that should be a high priority for drug development. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.